Hey everyone, Stas here, founder of clientsandconsulting.com, and I make videos online to help you get clients and grow your business. Now in this video, I'm going to cover the one hack that won me the 2 Comma Club Award. Now the 2 Comma Club Award is an award that you get when you surpass $1 million in sales from a single funnel using ClickFunnels. And I'm going to reveal to you exactly what that was in this video. So before I go into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to document my whole journey of how I took a product from zero to over $1 million, and that's going to be aired on the channel very, very soon. But let's get into it. What is this one hack that ultimately helped me get the 2 Comma Club Award and explode my business? Because people ask me all the time, Stas, how can I grow my business? What's the secret sauce? What's the secret recipe? So on and so forth. And I can tell you that it's a lot simpler than all of that. It actually comes down to one thing, and it's got to do with this little thing here. Yep, that's your smartphone. All you have to do, well and truly, is be able to control your relationship with your smartphone by putting on the DND function. What is a DND function? It's the do not disturb function. Oh, hang on a minute. I told him I can't come this weekend. Hold on a second. The key is to throw your phone away because it is the #1 distraction that's holding you back from growing your business and reaching all the goals that you've ever wanted to. One of the biggest things that I did over the last 12 months or so is I got really, really focused. And one of those things meant putting my phone away. I literally put my phone away, put it on Do Not Disturb so people can't contact me, because that's when I'm working on my business, moving my company forward to reach my goals. Ask yourself the question, how long do you spend on your phone every day? Look at your screen time. How you replying to every message that comes in every single day? Because all those notifications are designed to do one thing and one thing only, and that is to get your attention and get your eyeballs back on that screen. And if you can be disciplined enough to avoid those distractions, I promise you, you will make more progress in the next month than you probably have in the last year. But it's not easy. You know, you've got Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, emails, WhatsApps, all coming right at you. And you just get this, dopamine release, and you get this feeling like, I've got to reply, I've got to check out what people are saying. But the truth is, the more you reply, the further away you get from your goal and the less focused you become. Let me tell you a quick story of what happened to me. And this one mistake probably cost me $50,000 to £100,000. So I love cars, okay? I absolutely love cars. And probably a few months ago, I happened to pick up my phone during my lunch when I was having my lunch, and I, come back online, so to speak. And I went on Auto Trader. Now, Auto Trader is just a car trading site where you can buy and sell cars. And I started looking at cars. I started looking at Bentleys. Before you know it, this was, I think, around about Monday or Tuesday. Before you know it, on the Friday of the same week, I was in a Bentley showroom looking at a Bentley. On the Saturday, I was this close to putting a deposit down on a Bentley. But guess what? All week I spent looking at these cars, watching videos, watching reviews. It was a massive distraction. And all I did was I just picked up my phone at lunchtime. That's it. That's all I did. I picked up my phone. Before you know it, I was looking at Bentleys. Next thing you know, I'm in a Bentley showroom this close to putting down a deposit on one. Absolute distraction. Let me give you another example. Another time it always happens during my lunch for some reason. I picked up my phone and I started looking at investments, and I started looking at physical metals, commodities like gold and silver and so on and so forth. And I probably spent around about 1 month looking at these investments and making investments into precious metals. What does that do? That takes my eye off the ball, off the business, and my focus shifts elsewhere. All because I picked up my phone. Let me give you another example. Again, probably a month ago, I really wanted to buy some more Rolex watches. And I've been on a waiting list for a long, long time. So I thought it's time to change where my waiting list is. It used to be in a place called Reading. I've now moved it to central London, Watches of Switzerland, which is the biggest luxury watch brand in Europe. They're like the biggest dealership. But again, that took time. I had to go up there, have a lovely meeting, met the lovely team there. But again, that distracted me from my core business, which meant that I wasn't focused. So you see how important it is to literally put your phone away, put it in a cupboard, put it in the room next door, and then you create an environment for yourself where you're not tempted. You're not tempted to check it. You're not tempted to check your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your other notifications that are coming in. And all you do is you just work on what's in front of you. You see, environment is everything. And if your environment is filled with distractions, filled with notifications, filled with replying to messages and so on and so forth, you are going to find it very difficult to make any progress. A day will go by and you'll sit there and ask yourself, what have I actually done today? And the truth is, probably not a lot, because you were too busy replying, too busy looking at videos, and too busy going off tangent on things that do not matter. Let me now jump on the whiteboard and show you the catastrophic effect of not being 100% focused on the job at hand. Let's just imagine you are the captain of a ship. You have around 4,000 people on board and you're sailing around the Caribbean. Let me ask you a question. Does the captain of the ship ever go off for a day or two to check his phone, to look at cars, or just be focused on anything else? Or does the captain of the ship solely focus on where the ship is going? I think you know the answer to that one. Why? Because the consequences of not knowing where the ship is going could be catastrophic. And the same is true for your business. If you are off out, shiny object syndrome, looking at other things, being distracted by your phone more than anything, then you can't see where you're going. And if you can't see where you're going, the effects of your business is not going to be that great. Let's take a surgeon for another example. I had surgery a few years ago on my leg. And did my surgeon go off and check his phone, speak to people, look at cars or look at investments, and then come back to the surgery? No, he was 100% focused on my leg. I mean, at least I hope he was anyway. Scissors? Scalpel? Hang on, guys. Oh, it's back in stock. Yes! I need to put the deposit on this one right now. 1 second. Okay, cool, done. Right, where were we? Imagine if that was the case. I don't know what would have happened to my leg, to be truthfully honest with you. So treat your business in the same way. When you are in your environment of work, when you're there to work, actually do the work and don't get distracted by your phone, by notifications, because there are so many factors and things around us that are always trying to steal our time. And the truth is, we just have to stay focused. And I can promise you, if you stay focused for long enough, you will get to your destination. Look, and maybe other people's lives aren't at stake if you are not 100% focused on your business, but your life is at stake. Your business, your future, your family's future is at stake. And if you can go into this with that mindset, I promise you, you're gonna make far more progress than 99% of the people out there, okay? Because that's what's gonna help move you forward. Hope you've enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it. Drop me a comment, let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you need help in growing your business, then there'll be a link in the description. You can book a call with me and my team to see if we're a good fit to work together to help you move your business forward. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.